Hey friends, thanks for joining me today. I want to give you a little tip that was told to me, and so far it's worked really well for string trimmer string. All right, so when I bought my string trimmer this spring, I asked the gentleman, I said, what do you think about those heads with the plastic blades? And he said, honestly, I've never had trouble with the string. And so I conveyed to him how my string breaks all the time. It's like it's brittle and it just breaks and I have to restring the head. That was on the old string trimmer. He said, hey, here's what you need to do. Take your string that you buy, keep it in water. So I did. I bought some steel branded string and I keep it in a bucket of water. And I've actually had really good luck with this. I've not broken string like I did before. So I'll use the whole string up and it'll just run out. It won't break and I'll have to pull more string out and break and I'll have to take off the head, pull more string out. It won't do that. I haven't had that experience since I've been keeping the string in water. He told me if you look at the package, the sealed up packages that those blades come in, they make condensation if they're left in the heat. So they're losing water or some sort of something. And so if you keep the string in water, it doesn't get brittle. And that's the experience I've had with it so far. So my advice to make your string last is put it in a bucket of water, keep it in the bucket of water. It's worked for me so far. And so, you know, it can't hurt. Might as well try it. Thanks for watching, folks. Remember to work hard because hard work is its own reward. I'll see you next time.